Hello everyone, my name is NURUL IMAN binti MUKHTAR.
My name is AMOS Long.
My name is Majdee and we are from Group 1, DSI.
I will start with the introduction of DSI. And DSI, known as Digital Social Innovation, is defined as the use of digital technologies to create and spread solutions that address social challenges. DSI focuses on social good, inclusivity, and collaboration to tackle issues such as inequality, healthcare, climate change, and education. And as part of the introduction, I would like to talk about its background as well. As DSI emerged in the early 2000s, as digital tools became more accessible and communities began co-creating solutions. Its growth was supported by open source movements, EU research projects, and NGOs. And one of the main reasons DSI is supported and is popular is due to its collaborative anonymous nature, as it builds on the tradition of social innovation, but adds the power of digital networks with anonymous privacy, enabling large-scale collaboration, not just by scientists, but by members of the public, which can provide useful data en masse. The next part I would like to talk about is the objectives of DSI. As mentioned in the introduction, it is the use of digital technologies to create and spread solutions. Naturally, the range of these solutions, as well as its application, is limitless. So we could spend forever talking about the possibilities. However, we would like to highlight three main ones. In environmental management, by monitoring the condition of all sorts of life, knowing when to apply help. By medicine, to improve healthcare through mHealth, EHRs, and telemedicine with virtual consultations. And lastly, philanthropy and transparency, rebuilding trust in charities to ensure transparency and accountability between donors, organizations, and beneficiaries.
There are 4 types of digital social innovation. The first one is open hardware, creating and sharing open source designs for digital devices. The second one is open knowledge. Large group of people will collaborate online to develop and share knowledge or collectively fund projects. The third one is open data, the collection, analysis, and public release of data for social benefits. And the last one is open network, creation of central community communications network. These are the real-life applications of digital social innovations that we will discuss deeper in the next topic. The first one is health and well-being. The second one is education and information access. The third one is economic empowerment and fairer markets. And the last one is environmental and disaster management. Let's be deeper about application of the environmental management. The first one is repair and reuse platforms. For example, Restart Project, it uses digital platforms to organize and promote community repair events. The project's Fixometer app tracks the environmental impact of these repairs, such as preventing electronic waste. The second one is Smart Wildlife Tracker. It uses GPS and drones to track the movements of endangered animals like tigers and elephants. The data helps researchers understand animal behaviors and identify protected areas. It can be used to count species using AI analyzer. The last one is air quality monitoring. Making Sense use open source sensor kits and digital platforms to allow citizens to monitor their local air quality. This data will be visualized on online maps, providing communities with information to advocate a cleaner environment.
So now we move to the next application of DSI in real life, which is in medical field. So first is telemedicine and virtual consultations. Telemedicines allow patients to consult doctor online using mobile apps or web platform. For example, we have Dr. Onco in Malaysia that offer online medical consultations, and Baby Iron Health UK uses AI power as a symptom checker. Next is electronic health record EHR. EHR system store patients' health information digitally, making it easier for doctors, hospitals, and clinics to access and share accurate medical data. For example, we have Epic System USA connecting hospital and enabling secure patient data sharing. In Malaysia, we have My Health Portal. It allows patients to access their medical information online. Lastly is your mobile health. mHealth apps helping users track, monitor, and manage their health using smartphone and wearable device. For example, in Malaysia, we have My Sejahtera that offer vaccination record, COVID-19 tracking. Other than that, Fitbit and Apple Health helping in monitor step and heart rate.
The last real-life application of DSI that we would like to discuss is philanthropy with transparency. So to give a little bit of context, during the COVID-19, nonprofit organizations struggle with collapsing donations and declining trust. And the solution to this that they came up with is a charity wall using blockchain to notarize every single donation to ensure transparency and accountability. So I would like to talk about the reason that this worked, touching on the social aspect of digital social innovation. So the first reason is transparency as trust. Donations were reframed as a transparent relational exchange, and blockchain acted as a social connector rebuilding trust. The second reason I'd like to talk about is future directions. DSI technologies such as blockchain, as mentioned just now, AI, robotics, can be used as tools for resilience, and however require ethical frameworks such as privacy, fairness, and inclusion. And why this works so well is the future direction, as in people could see the limitless applications of DSI. And the last reason I'd like to talk about is post-pandemic insight. So as we all know, COVID-19 exposed fragilities, but highlighted the value of DSI. So actually, DSI is a foundation for equitable recovery and global goals, which is also known as SDGs 2030.
So now we proceed with the advantage and disadvantage of DSI. First is advantage of DSI, such as enhanced accessibility, MEC. Next is encourage collaborations and participation, where use digital platform to connect community. Next is promote social inclusions, where support disabilities and minorities group. So move to the next one is a cost-effective solutions. Moreover, data-driven decision-making also one of the advantage of DSI, because it can analyze real-time data to design better policies and service. Lastly is scalability and wider reach. Now, let's have a look disadvantage of DSI. First, we have privacy and data security risks. Secondly, we have resistance to change. Thirdly is funding and sustainability issue. Fourth, we have digital divide. Moreover, we have ethical and governance challenge. Lastly, over-reliance on technology that is not equipped for human development.
In conclusion, DSI highlights how technology can serve as a catalyst for meaningful change, moving beyond profit-driven goals. From advancing environmental management to transforming healthcare delivery and fostering transparency in philanthropy, DSI demonstrates the power of digital tools to reshape society and paves the way for a future where technology strengthens both the community as well as the planet. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much.